Okay, so for obtaining the overall dimensions off the TNA former, one of the first things we're going to look for is measuring from the bottom of the former plate to the end of the filler tube, obtaining a measurement there. We're also interested in the overall width of the Teflon piece that the belts and back seal ride upon. And we're looking for a dimension from the front to the back of the mounting plate. And there's a couple of different locations where you could obtain that measurement from, but we're looking for the distance from the overall distance from front to back. We would be looking for the top transition diameter, and we would want to confirm how concentric that is by measuring left to right and front to back. And we're also going to look for an overall height of that transition as well, measuring from the mounting plate to the top. The mounting canisters, we're looking for a center to center dimension measuring across those two canisters, and additionally we would look for an overall dimension of the mounting plate as well. There's also a locating bracket that hangs down below the back of the mounting plate, that actually right up in here. So we would be looking to obtain a measurement from either the center of the tube to the face of that bracket, or the back edge of the plate to that bracket. The dimensions for the canisters are standard. We have all the dimensions for those. So again, we're just looking at verification of the centers. And if we can measure from the locating bracket to the leading edge of that tube, we would want that measurement as well. So again, we're looking for overall dimensions, transition height, filler tube length, top diameter. And we would also, lastly, want to check the angle of the former wing in the back. So we would use a protractor or angle finder to obtain that dimension.